I've got probably a tablespoon or so of the butter. And I'm just going to put that all on the bottom. Pay in particular attention to the corners and around the edges of the loaf pan. Guys, I know somebody's going to comment that this is a non-stick loaf pan. I'm well aware of that fact, but let me tell you, I've had more than one thing stick in here. Whenever I'm making a video, I want to be sure that nothing sticks, because nothing is more embarrassing whenever you're on camera than making a major screw up. I think that's pretty well buttered. Let me get this off my hands.